Today, I'm going to make a difference.
I cannot tolerate tardiness, so I won't be paying you for today. You're fired.
He could work for me.
What? Good.
You agreed to keep the property in sound repair, Miss Brown. The property includes the garden.
Please don't touch anything.
Personally, I think they look better when they're attached to the plant itself.
I was just trying to tidy up a bit.
I think that's what Hitler said about Europe. Oh, hello. Sorry.
I'm only working there until my book gets published.
What's it about?
It's a children's book. Doesn't really have a story at the moment. Oh, just tell me what I should be doing, you horrid, wretched old man!
All right, I'll help. Now you give me back my cook.
No.
Ah, my son. How long since your last confession? Totally blank canvas. Chance to create your own masterpiece. Rose had a passion for life, and I see the seeds of that in you.
Thank you.
Pleasure, Miss Brown, is all mine.
And that's it for now.
But I'd like to know what happens next.